Hi, these are the TOZO NC9 hybrid active noise cancelling wireless earbuds. First, I'll take a look at what's in the box and show you how to use them. Inside the box at the very top is the included manual. Underneath it, we already have the charging case. Scanning this QR code will activate your 18-month warranty very easily with 2 clicks. On the charging case, there are 4 indication lights that show us the state of charge. As you can see, the charging case is already pre-charged. The earbuds are labeled L and R for left and right as standard. In addition to the charging case with the earbuds, there's also a small box. It's got a short USB-C charging cable and different sizes of silicone caps, so you can choose which will fit you best. TOZO earbuds are shaped to fit well in your ear. Insert them into your ear with the ear tip pointing downwards. Then rotate the earbud backwards and it will fit nicely and won't fall out. The earbuds will automatically pair when you take them out of the charging case. You only need to wait a few seconds. Turn on Bluetooth on your smartphone and pair with your phone as well. Now let's take a look at the controls. One press of the right earbud has a play-pause button function. You can skip to the next song when you press the right earbud twice. By pressing the left earbud twice, you can skip to the previous song. Volume control is easy as well. To increase the volume, just hold the right earbud during playback. By holding left earbud, you decrease the volume. By tapping the right earbud 3 times, you activate the voice assistant. One tap of the left earbud toggles between active noise cancellation and transparent mode. Note that active noise cancellation mode only works if you have both earbuds connected and active. If a call comes in while you are listening, one press of the right or left earbud will answer the call. To reject or end the call, you just press and hold any earbud. Simple. To take advantage of all the features that the TOZO NC9 earbuds offer, you need to download and install the TOZO Earbuds app. I was a bit bothered by the registration requirement, but it only takes a minute. Using the app, you can then control the settings of the earbuds using your smartphone as well. The most important thing for me is the equalizer setting, which offers a lot of presets. But what's even better, you can set the equalizer to your liking and save your own preset that way. That's a feature you're sure to take advantage of. And now to the sound quality, which for me as a musician is the most important thing. I have to say that the TOZO NC9s sound really great. You can really listen to the music in all the details. I have nothing more to add. The active noise cancellation feature also works well, and the switch to transparent mode is also useful when you need good orientation in space, like on the street, for example. All in all, the TOZO NC9 exceeded my expectations. They fit very well in my ears, they don't fall out. The sound is excellent, and I use active noise cancellation very often. On one charge, they can play for over 10 hours, and if I add the capacity of the charging case, the total is about 40 hours of listening. And that's enough for a whole holiday. Thank you for watching. See you next time.